Hey there, future tech wizards. Welcome to the Digital Talent Program, or DTP for short. This program is your ticket to the exciting world of technology. Whether you dream of coding, designing websites, or analyzing data, DTP has something amazing for you. DTP is like having a giant toolbox filled with digital skills. You'll learn at your own pace, just like conducting your own science experiments. And guess what? You can even earn valuable certifications to impress future employers. Get ready to launch your tech career with DTP. Ready to begin your DTP adventure? The first step is super easy. Just head over to the DTP website. You'll find a button that says register or sign up. Click it and get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. The registration form is simpler than mixing baking soda and vinegar. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and maybe your location. Don't worry, it's all safe and secure. Congratulations on registering for DTP. You've taken the first step toward a brighter future. Now let's get you set up with your very own learning account. Once you've registered, you'll receive an email. This email is like a secret message with a special link. Click on that link to create your password and activate your account. Think of it as unlocking a treasure chest full of knowledge. Alright, you're all set. You've completed the initial setup, and now it's time to dive into the exciting world of online learning. Now comes the fun part, logging in and starting your learning adventure. This is where the magic happens, and you get to explore all the amazing content we've prepared for you. Head back to the DTP website and look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the homepage, making it easy to find. Enter your email address and the password you created during the registration process. If you're having trouble logging in, don't worry, don't fret, it happens to the best of us. Sometimes, a small typo can cause issues, or maybe the caps lock key is on. Double check that you've entered the correct email and password. Make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. It happens more often than you think. Just click on the Forgot Password link, and you'll receive instructions to reset it. Check your email for a message from us, and follow the simple steps to create a new password. If you still face any issues, our friendly support team is just an email away, ready to help you troubleshoot. They can assist with any technical difficulties you might encounter, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable experience. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a wealth of resources and courses. Take your time to explore and make the most of your learning journey. Happy studying. Section 5. Navigating your digital classroom. Welcome to your personalized learning space. This is where your educational journey begins. When you first log in, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen that's tailored just for you. This screen is designed to make you feel at home and ready to dive into your courses. Think of the DTP platform as your digital classroom. Here you have all the tools you need to succeed right at your fingertips. From virtual notebooks to interactive lessons, everything is organized to enhance your learning experience. It's where all the magic happens. This vibrant and interactive platform is designed to keep you engaged and motivated. You'll find videos, quizzes, and forums where you can discuss topics with your peers and instructors. You'll find a dashboard that keeps track of your progress. This is your go-to place to see how far you've come and what you need to focus on next. The progress bars and course modules give you a clear picture of your achievements and upcoming tasks. There's also a profile section to personalize your experience. Here, you can add a profile picture, update your personal information, and set your learning preferences. This helps tailor the platform to suit your individual needs and style. And let's not forget the course catalog bursting with exciting learning opportunities. This is where you can explore all the courses DTP offers. Whether you're interested in science, arts, technology, or humanities, there's something for everyone. The dashboard is your command center. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your learning journey. From here, you can access your courses, check your progress, and stay on top of deadlines. It shows you the courses you're enrolled in, your progress, and any upcoming deadlines. This way you can manage your time effectively and ensure you're always on track. Your profile is where you can add a picture, update your information, and make the platform truly yours. Customizing your profile helps you feel more connected and engaged with your learning environment. You can also customize your learning experience by setting your preferences. This includes choosing how you receive notifications, selecting your preferred learning style, and more. It's all about making the platform work for you. And the course catalog? That's where you'll find all the amazing courses DTP offers. Browse through the extensive list and find the courses that excite you. With so many options, you're sure to find something that sparks your interest and helps you achieve your goals. Gap 3S, Section 6, Applying for the Digital Talent Program. Now that you've navigated your digital classroom, it's time to take the next step. If you want to apply for the DTP program, follow these links in order. First, register for the DTP program. Click the link below to fill out the registration form and get started on your journey. Link 1. Register for the DTP program, https://docs.google.com/forms/d/e/1 faipqls la rue jtim ws1 jespopl jcc6 ynhglpst3 xh9 fw nakij/viewform?ply =1 next. Register on the learning portal. This step is crucial to ensure you have access to all the learning resources and tools available. Link 2. Register on the learning portal https://isTowers.csod.com/selfreg/register.aspx?c %5e%5e%5e%2 bk6 Yuri b san h axn g vnw vma %3d%3d. Finally, log into the learning platform. Once you're registered, use this link to log in and start your learning journey. Link 3. Log into the learning platform https://istowers.csod.com/default.aspx. Each of these steps is designed to streamline your application process and get you ready to dive into your coursework. So take a moment to complete these steps and prepare to unlock your full potential with the Digital Talent Program. Section 6. Diving into your coursework. This is where the real journey begins. Your coursework is the heart of your learning experience, and diving into it can be both exciting and a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through every step of the way. Ready to dive into the world of knowledge? Imagine opening your laptop and feeling a rush of excitement as you prepare to explore new subjects and expand your horizons. The anticipation of learning something new can be incredibly motivating. Browsing the course catalog is like exploring a library full of fascinating subjects. Each course offers a unique opportunity to delve into a topic that piques your interest. Take your time to explore the options available and find the courses that resonate with you. Once you've found a course that sparks your interest, click on it to learn more. You'll be taken to a page that provides detailed information about the course, including the objectives, the topics covered, and the instructor's background. You'll find information about the curriculum, the skills you'll gain, and the certification you can earn. This is your chance to see if the course aligns with your learning goals, and if it offers the value you're looking for. If you're ready to take the plunge, simply click Enroll or Start Course. This is the moment where you commit to your learning journey and take the first step towards achieving your educational goals. Each course is divided into modules or lessons, making it easy to follow along. These modules are designed to break down the content into manageable chunks, so you can learn at your own pace without feeling overwhelmed. You can watch videos, read materials, and complete quizzes at your own pace. This flexibility allows you to fit your studies into your schedule, whether you prefer to study in the morning, afternoon, or late at night. It's like having a personal tutor guiding you every step of the way. With interactive elements and personalized feedback, you'll feel supported and encouraged throughout your learning journey. So get ready to dive in and make the most of your coursework. Section 7. The Power of Self-Paced Learning. One of the coolest things about DTP is that you're in the driver's seat. You learn at your own pace, just like conducting your own science experiments. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can study whenever it suits you best. No more rushing to class or feeling left behind. With DTP, you can rewind, replay, or take a break whenever you need to. It's all about making learning fun and effective for you. Section 8. Unlock your potential with certifications. Earning certifications is like collecting badges of honor in the tech world. They show potential employers that you have the skills and knowledge they're looking for. And guess what? DTP offers industry-recognized certifications to boost your career prospects. As you complete courses, you'll have the opportunity to earn these valuable certifications. They're like trophies you can proudly display on your resume and LinkedIn profile. Get certified and watch your career soar. Section 9. Ready, Set, Learn. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to upskill, the Digital Talent Program is your gateway to success in the digital age. Register today, explore the platform, and start learning skills that can transform your life. Remember, the world of technology is constantly evolving, and DTP is here to help you stay ahead of the curve. Embrace the journey, never stop learning, and watch as you unlock incredible opportunities. Go out there and make your mark on the world.